Do you know what these are? Do you know what these are? These are money. These were my very best sellers during the holidays. Please don't let me drop these. When I had my shop. Guess what? I don't have my shop anymore. So I'm not making these anymore because I don't have anywhere to sell them anymore except online. And that's just a pain. So guess what I'm doing? I'm going to teach you guys how to make them. Yes, I have held back for years because I needed to sell them. I'm not going to share all my secrets, but because I paid a lot for this class and then I learned how to do it. And then I twisted everything I learned in the class to make it my own way. And now I'm going to teach you how to do it. I am. So if y'all are around near Baltimore, I'm teaching a live class Friday night, November 11th. Y'all, there's only a few spots. Not only am I going to show you how to do it, look at all these supplies I have. I have so much. We need to make ornaments so that you can make them for your shop or for your friends or for your family. They're glass or they're plastic, and I don't remember which one's which, so I'm not going to drop them and show you. But we're going to have a lot of fun, so I hope you guys come and learn how to do this. Those of you who don't live in the area, if I have time, I will try to make an online version. But if you're in the area, just come on down so we can have fun. Have a little, pre-holiday cocktail. Okay, bye.